Are you thinking of selling your home? It's a competitive market, and making the wrong moves can cost you big time. Today, Rachel and I are going to go over the top 5 things not to do when you sell your home.
If you're aiming to get top dollar, there are mistakes to avoid. And if you haven't seen our last video on the top 5 things you should do when selling, check that out too. It's packed with tips to maximize your home's value. Also, if you like this video, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button.
Hi, I'm Doug.
And I'm Rachel, and we're with the Swardstrom Group, the luxury real estate experts here in Orange County, California.
We've helped countless clients navigate this unique real estate market, and through the years, we've learned what works as well as what doesn't work when it comes to selling high-end properties.
One of the biggest mistakes we see is neglecting staging and presentation. Even the most beautiful properties benefit from a little polish. Professional staging enhances the appeal and helps buyers visualize themselves in the space, which is key to creating emotional impact.
Overpricing is another major misstep. Setting an unrealistic price can backfire, leaving your property sitting on the market too long. And when that happens, buyers start to wonder what's wrong with it. We know this market well, and we can help set a price that maximizes your sale without scaring away buyers.
Another pitfall is skipping essential repairs and updates. Luxury buyers expect perfection. They aren't interested in making repairs right after closing. We always advise addressing needed repairs and even making a few upgrades, like adding high-end appliances or smart home features. These small touches can make a big difference in today's luxury buyers.
Quality marketing is also a must. Using low-quality photos or skipping video altogether will make your listing easy to overlook. We always invest in professional videography, photography, and even aerial shots to showcase each unique detail. In luxury real estate, we're selling a lifestyle, not just a property. So no matter where you're selling your home, make sure your realtor is using high professional video.
Finally, remember to highlight the lifestyle and location. Buyers in this market are looking for more than just a house. They want the Orange County lifestyle. Proximity to amenities like beaches, golf courses, and top schools are all things we emphasize because they add immense value to your listing.
We hope these 5 tips have given you a better sense of what it takes to succeed in the Orange County luxury market or wherever you may be in watching this video.
And if you're ready to sell or just curious about what your property might be worth today, give us a call. We'd love to help you get the most out of your investment.
So don't forget to check out our other video on the top 5 things you should do when selling for top dollar. Thanks for watching.